Hi, welcome all of you on Yourpedia education platform. So, as you know, we are proceeding ahead with the counseling activities of various IITs for various courses. I want to tell you something like what we have observed. पिछले कुछ दिनों में what we have observed is many IITs are having their last dates, but they are being extended. And another thing what we observed is that 1 or 2 days before last date, the sites are not working of IIT sites are not working, and hundreds and thousands of students are even telling us that what is to be done. Now, site not working is actually not in our hands, but yes, then we can call, we can drop the messages, and then dates are getting extended. So recent example is IIT Kharagpur. Last date of that was I think 20th April, and then it is extended to 24th. Earlier IIT Bombay last date was extended, and then I think IIT Bombay से पहले I think IIT कानपुर का भी थोड़ा dates में हुआ था. So these dates are getting extended, and now because there are so many pockets, like Jodhpur में also last date is today 20th April, but as for my information some students are saying last date is getting extended. Site नहीं चल रहा है, morning से हम site try कर रहे हैं, और वहां पे जो students हैं जो already masters वगैरह कर रहे हैं जोधपुर वगैरह में, so we are in touch with many students, so they are saying कि हालत खराब है, कोरोना के बहुत ज्यादा केसेस बढ़ गए हैं, and suddenly things are deteriorating. So there is a very high probability कि last dates बढ़ जाएंगी, लेकिन वो चीज आपका जो इंटरव्यूज वगैरह हैं दे विल स्टिल बी देयर, इंटरव्यूज विल बी देयर, एंड यू आर टू गो फॉर इंटरव्यूज, एंड वो ऑनलाइन इंटरव्यू होंगे, उसकी तैयारी आप रखें. only thing will be for you will be only thing for you will be good is ke there will be actually we will have time to prepare, we will have time to basically prepare and apply in these departments. So extend ho jayega, to jin bachchon ne nahi apply kiya they will get opportunity to basically apply and get more time. And also what we were seeing was like IIT Bombay, IIT Kanpur and other IITs SOP requirement, और मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया कि जिन डिपार्टमेंट्स में SOP मांगते हैं their probability of call is high for us, and there we should positively apply. So one after another, like Bombay में SOP was required in majority of departments, IIT Kanpur में SOP मांगा था, उससे पहले कुछ और IITs में SOP was required. So we will get to prepare SOPs also. So yes, now let me conclude here. These are the dates of IITs which actually are so far declared expected, but I believe they will get extended. If we see the previous couple of IITs may dates have been extended. So today is Jodhpur 20th April, but in my opinion it may get extended, or it has already basically been extended. I don't know that because site is not working. खड़गपुर का भी आज लास्ट डेट था लेकिन 24th अप्रैल को हो गया है. Now तिरुपति, दिल्ली, रुड़की, धनबाद, पटना, मद्रास, इंदौर, these IITs are still left. आई स्टिल रिक्वेस्ट ऑल ऑफ यू कि जिन्होंने अभी तक अप्लाई नहीं किया है एंड दे आर सिटिंग स्लीपिंग इन स्लंबर, प्लीज स्टार्ट अप्लाइंग. मैंने एक वीडियो डाला जिसमें बहुत कम गेट स्कोर पे यू हैव स्टार्टेड गेटिंग कॉल्स आल्सो. सो प्लीज अप्लाई सो दैट यू कुड कन्वर्ट योर गेट स्कोर इनटू सम काइंड ऑफ कॉल्स एंड देन सम सिलेक्शंस, बिकॉज दिस इज गोइंग टू बी बिजी शेड्यूल नेक्स्ट 1 or 2 months फॉर यू. इंटरव्यूज वगैरह होंगे, जैसे IIC बेंगलोर के इंटरव्यूज चल रहे हैं, IIT गांधीनगर के इंटरव्यू अभी हुए हैं. Prepare for interviews and try to convert your score into some kind of selections. All the best.